Hey, what is up, everybody? So I have another Jetta video, or I guess Volkswagen video. Last one was GTI, but this one is the Jetta. So this is going to be how to replace these little city bulbs inside of the halogen housing for the Mark Fives. This is going to be the same for the GTI, R32, as long as it's an R32 with a halogen headlight. I don't know if any came with halogen, but Jettas and the sport wagons. But yeah, there's a little tiny bulb inside your high beam area, and it's kind of a bitch to get out. It's not terrible. I kept looking at the wrong instructions, and I finally know what to do now. But yeah, so I already swapped out this one. I'm using an LED off of Amazon. I'm not sure if it's going to give me any codes or anything, but it seems to be working fine. It has more of an orange color to it, which is kind of what I was going for. I was hoping for a little more yellow, but it listed as yellow, but it's orange, and I'm totally okay with that because it matches my other side corner light, which I'm actually going to be swapping out. But yeah, I didn't really like the off-white color because my headlights, they are pure white, but this is kind of an off-white, and I'd rather have it, either amber, yellow, or pure white. But yeah, I will show you how to get back there. First, you're gonna have to take off these little caps right here. They're just rubber caps on the back of the high beam housing, and those are right here in this housing. I'm sticking my flashlight in. It's right there. Um, it's not too bad, but that bulb is like it's up in the corner, and it's kind of a bitch to get to. I saw a lot of people saying to twist that socket, but that was not working for me. And then I finally found something on VW Vortex, the Volkswagen forum, that said to just pull it out, and so that's what actually worked for me because it was not turning at all. So I just used a pair of shorter pliers and grab onto the back of it and just pull it out. But yeah, it's not too bad. Definitely don't twist it because it will not budge at all, and you might end up breaking the clip. Um, I do not pull on those wires. They are pretty frail wires. I'll try to set this up and see if I can get a video of me pulling that out. All right, and yeah, it's just in this housing right here. This is where that little rubber cap goes, and it's gonna be in that that side of the housing, towards the outside of it. But yeah, just kind of feel where it is with your hands, and stick your pliers in there. It's a major pain in the ass. It's way easier to put it in because you just pop it in. But just getting a grip on it. On the other side wasn't too bad, but this side's kind of a bitch. Okay, got it. And yeah, then you just pull it out. But it just pulls straight out. So I don't know why so many people say to twist it. Looking at this, there's no key marks or anything. Here, I'll pull the bulb out so you guys can see a little bit better. Always wear gloves when you pull bulbs. All right. Yeah, there's no key marks on this at all. There's just these little pressure clips on here. That is it. Here, let me set this down. And they're round. There's absolutely no key mark. So you could actually just shove it back in whatever way you want, sideways or whatever. I usually just put things in with the least amount of tension on the wires. But yeah, these are the bulbs that I ordered. I'll link them down in the description below. Again, they are supposed to be more yellow, but they're definitely more of an amber color. I don't really mind since, I'm okay with amber or yellow. But yeah, and I mean they're LED, so it doesn't matter if you touch the housing at all because they're encased inside plastic. So I mean, you don't have to get too freaked out about that, about getting oil on a glass lens or something. But yeah, see, Lights right up, orange. You just try to find that housing. I usually go to the front of the car and look for the hole where the light's coming through. Give it a good push until you feel it click a little bit, and tug on it. Make sure it doesn't come out. Or I got it out that time. That's funny. Yeah, if this has never been out, it's not gonna pull out easy. All right, and now click back in. All right, and I'll show you the front. Turn my light off. All right, back to the front. Yeah, there we go. I like it a lot better than the off-white, but yeah, it's a pretty easy job to do. If you look in Volkswagen's booklet, the service booklet, it actually says to uninstall the headlights, which makes you have to take off the grill and everything to get to those, and that's kind of stupid. Don't do it that way. This is a lot easier, a lot more headache free, but yeah. Next time I'm going to be replacing these little side markers. I got some new ones that are a little more aesthetically pleasing, but yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, give me a subscribe. I'm trying to do more Volkswagen videos along with my Datsun videos. Actually just got a new radiator for it, so I might do a little video on that. But yeah, overall pretty easy modification. See you guys next time.